Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see who viewed your Snapchat story. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So it can be really interesting to know who has actually viewed your story. So the first thing we're going to want to do is actually open up Snapchat, and then we're going to go to the top left hand corner and actually click on our icon. And the next thing you want to do is actually then scroll down to My Stories and then see My Story to expand that section. Or you may even need to scroll down all the way to Public Profiles and have a look if it's there, depending on what you've actually posted on. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the public profile where I posted, because as we can see, it's had one view. So if you just click on it and then just swipe upwards. And then here you'll be able to see under viewers that there's had one view, and then in this case it's someone called Angelo G, aka my other account. So we can then see that there's been a viewer on there. If you need to as well, you can also click on the viewers list in the middle bit of the right hand side, and that will also give you a bit more information to see who's actually viewed it. And that's it. That is how to see who viewed your Snapchat story. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.